In this video, we will be diving deep into the world of cordless vacuums and showcasing the top contenders for the title of the best cordless vacuum in 2023. We understand that finding the perfect cordless vacuum can be overwhelming with the numerous options available on the market. That's why we've done extensive research, testing, and analysis to bring you the most up-to-date information on the best cordless vacuums for 2023. Our next product is Shark Eyes 163H. The Shark Eyes 163H is a versatile and high-performance cordless vacuum that excels in delivering exceptional cleaning results. With its powerful suction and dual clean technology, it effortlessly tackles both large debris and fine dust particles on various surfaces. The vacuum features a flexible wand that allows you to reach tight spaces and under furniture with ease. It also comes with a removable and rechargeable battery, providing extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. Pros: powerful suction for thorough cleaning, dual clean technology for effective dirt and debris removal, flexible wand for accessing hard-to-reach areas, removable and rechargeable battery for extended cleaning, anti-allergen complete seal technology for capturing and trapping 99.9% of allergens. Cons: some users may find the vacuum slightly heavier compared to other models. The dustbin capacity could be larger for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The Shark Eyes 163H is a top-notch cordless vacuum that combines power, versatility, and advanced features. Its strong suction, dual clean technology, and flexible wand make it highly effective in tackling different cleaning tasks. Although the weight and dustbin capacity could be improved, the overall performance and convenience of this vacuum make it a strong contender for the best cordless vacuum in 2023. Our next product is Kenmore DS130. The Kenmore DS130 is a feature-rich and efficient cordless vacuum designed to provide a deep clean throughout your home. With its powerful suction and advanced brush roll technology, it effectively removes dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum features a convenient 2-in-1 design, allowing you to easily convert it into a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning. It also comes with a washable EPA filter that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, ensuring cleaner air in your home. Pros: powerful suction for thorough cleaning performance, advanced brush roll technology for effective dirt removal, 2-in-1 design for versatile cleaning options, washable EPA filter for improved air quality, lightweight and easy to maneuver. Cons: battery life may be shorter compared to other models. Some users may find the noise level slightly higher. The Kenmore DS130 is a reliable and feature-packed cordless vacuum that delivers impressive cleaning performance. Its powerful suction, advanced brush roll technology, and versatile 2-in-1 design make it suitable for a range of cleaning tasks. While the battery life could be improved, the overall performance and convenience of this vacuum make it a strong contender for the best cordless vacuum in 2023. Our next product is Eureka NEC180. The Eureka NEC180 is a powerful cordless vacuum designed to tackle various cleaning tasks with ease. With its lightweight and compact design, it offers effortless maneuverability and allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. The vacuum features a reliable motor that delivers strong suction power, ensuring efficient cleaning performance on both carpets and hard floors. Additionally, it comes with a brush roll that can be easily switched on or off, making it suitable for cleaning different surfaces. Pros: lightweight and maneuverable design, strong suction power for effective cleaning, versatile brush roll for various surfaces, long battery life for extended cleaning sessions, convenient LED headlights for enhanced visibility. Cons: dustbin capacity could be larger for extended cleaning sessions. Some users may find the noise level slightly higher than expected. The Eureka NEC180 is a reliable and efficient cordless vacuum that offers impressive suction power and versatility. Its lightweight design and long battery life make it a convenient choice for everyday cleaning tasks. Although the dustbin capacity could be improved, the overall performance and maneuverability of this vacuum make it a top contender for the best cordless vacuum in 2023. Our next product is Black Plus DC Hair. The Black Plus DC Hair cordless vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool that combines power and convenience. Equipped with a high-performance motor, this vacuum delivers strong suction to effectively capture dirt and debris. With its two-in-one design, it easily converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld vacuum, allowing you to clean various surfaces and reach tight spaces effortlessly. The vacuum also features a bagless design with a large dustbin capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Pros: powerful suction for thorough cleaning, two-in-one design for versatile cleaning options, large dustbin capacity for extended cleaning sessions, easy to maneuver and store washable filters for cost-effective maintenance. Cons: battery life could be longer for uninterrupted cleaning. Some users may find the vacuum slightly heavier compared to other models. The Black Plus DC Hair cordless vacuum offers excellent cleaning performance and versatility. Its powerful suction, two-in-one design, and large dustbin capacity make it a practical choice for a wide range of cleaning tasks. While the battery life could be improved, this vacuum's overall performance and convenience make it a strong contender for the best cordless vacuum in 2023. Our next product is BISSELL 1984. The BISSELL 1984 is a feature-packed cordless vacuum designed to deliver exceptional cleaning results. Equipped with a high-powered digital motor, this vacuum offers impressive suction strength, ensuring thorough dirt and debris removal from various surfaces. The vacuum also features a unique tangle-free brush roll that prevents hair from getting tangled, making it ideal for pet owners. With its multi-surface cleaning capabilities and versatile attachments, the BISSELL 1984 offers a comprehensive cleaning solution. Pros: powerful digital motor for superior suction power, tangle-free brush roll for hassle-free cleaning, multi-surface cleaning capabilities, convenient LED lights for better visibility, versatile attachments for customized cleaning. Cons: battery life may be shorter compared to other models. Some users may find the vacuum's noise level slightly higher. The BISSELL 1984 is a highly capable cordless vacuum with powerful suction and innovative features. Its tangle-free brush roll and multi-surface cleaning capabilities make it a standout choice, especially for pet owners. While the battery life could be improved, the overall performance and versatility of this vacuum make it a strong contender for the best cordless vacuum in 2023. Outro. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the best cordless vacuum options for 2023. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision for your home cleaning needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews and buying guides. Don't forget to check out the description box below for links to all the products mentioned in this video. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section.